In today's digital age, ensuring your business runs smoothly is essential. But are you struggling with server management or worried about data security? Don't worry, you're in the right place. Welcome to Installerguru. Our expert team offers a wide range of services to keep your digital world safe and efficient. We specialize in network setup, cybersecurity, server management, cloud solutions, and so much more. Services we are offering: network setup and configuration, cybersecurity, server management, cloud server setup, backup and data security, remote management, storage server setup and configuration, help desk, and ticket management. For more details, contact us 9950591487. Follow and subscribe us. #Installerguru.